Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Today we're going to be changing the air and water filter on this Frigidaire gallery fridge. This is the way it looks. If this fridge matches yours, then I'm going to give you the products and show you how to do the job. It's super simple and is even easier than the last model. The reset buttons are now easy to find there on the right, as you can see, and you know it's time to replace if your lights are blinking red. The left is for the water filter, the right is for the air filter. So the products that we're going to need, I'm going to put in the description so you can buy the correct ones, but we've got the PWF1 water filter and we've got the RAF2 air filter that we're going to be putting in. We'll show you that now. If you don't know the serial number, I'm going to put mine up on screen. To the right in my fridge is a information card, and you can get your serial number there on the left. All right, let's get started. Here's the way the water filter looks. Located here. It's actually a push system, which makes it very easy. And then we've got the air filter in the back here, which we'll do next. All right, let's start with the water filter. All right, so for the water filter, just be sure to take off the plastic little protective covers, and you can throw those away. We're actually just gonna push it. Note that the water droplets, they come to a point and that goes up. So we're gonna remove the old filter. We're gonna insert the new, push it in, and we're not done yet. We need to run a couple gallons of water through so that the charcoal in the filter does not get ingested. We wanna make sure that we prime the filter by getting a large container and running a couple gallons of water through. So we'll fast forward through that, but it will blow air out. So be sure to have your container close as you can and keep a rag nearby. So as you can see, the water is looking a little murky. This is a great time to water those front porch plants if you have any, or you can just dump it down the sink. But we're gonna do 2 of these larger containers full, and then we're gonna call it good. We'll show you how to check for leaks, and we'll show you how to reset that reminder. Another quick tip is to take a Q-tip with some maybe alcohol and clean your water dispenser. Those can get nasty. That's a good thing to do like during the process of letting water run through it. You can always just run a cup through, make sure you're not drinking rubbing alcohol, but that's another tip for you. To reset the water filter, we're just gonna hold this button down. Actually press and hold. Boom, that's reset. Now onto the air filter. So where it says even temp is where our air filter is. You'll notice when you buy a fridge new, it likely did not come with one of these. So if yours is missing entirely, that is normal, and that's the case with mine. To remove it, you just pull down from the top, flip it over, and the air filter is going to snap right in. I've got the little clip pieces at the top, and to put it back in, you kind of get the bottom lip facing down and push at the top, and you're in good shape. And our last step here is to come to this button where it says reset air filters, push it once to get the screen activated, press and hold, and we should see that red light disappear. You are back in action. Your Frigidaire refrigerator now has a new water filter and a new carbon air filter. Good luck with this job, but it should be fairly simple. Please subscribe for more content like this. Have a good day.
And that's what I call high quality H2O. Oh!